How do I become a social media content creator? Here are some of the things you need to do if you want to become a professional social media content creator. Determine your niche. You need to identify what specific field or area of expertise you want to specialize in. Are you a travel expert, a fashionista, or a tech geek? Once you know this, creating content that resonates with your audience will be easier. Develop your brand. You must ensure a recognizable brand that stands out. It means having a consistent color scheme, logo, and style across social media platforms. It's also essential to develop a voice or tone that is unique to you and your brand. Create quality content. You need to be sure that your content is high quality and engaging for your audience. It means keeping up with trends, telling stories, and providing valuable information to keep people interested in what you have to say. Build an audience. Social media presence builds an engaged audience that trusts and follows your content. It means interacting with your followers, responding to comments, hosting giveaways, and collaborating with other social media influencers. Monitor your performance. Track the performance of your content by taking note of likes, shares, and comments. Use this data to tweak your content accordingly and keep track of your growth over time. Every social media strategy should be constantly tweaked and adjusted to fit the needs of your audience. These are just a few steps you need to take to become a successful social media content creator. You can become an expert in no time with dedication, creativity, and perseverance. Social media platforms and content marketing can seem intimidating. Still, you can quickly become an expert with the right strategy and tools. Just remember, keep learning, stay creative, and remember to have fun. To learn about blogging, check out our previous video.